What's up guys? So if you watched my last video, you were able to hear what it sounds like with a straight pipe. But after driving it for a couple weeks, it was kind of annoying, just way too loud. So I decided to put on a Magnaflow muffler to help quiet things down. And I'm glad to say it's a success. It's still got a lot of growl to it when you hit the pedal, but there's minimal drone now. You can actually drive it and have a conversation unlike before. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with the product. With the warm start, you can barely hear it. It sounds almost stock, but it's still got a little bit of grumble to it, and you can tell it's got that nice V8 sound. But yeah, overall, really pleased with the product. Definitely recommend the Magnaflow muffler. So you can see the Magnaflow just welded in at the end right there, and I also got some chrome turn down tips. And then with these turn down tips, the back end has a really finished look to it.